Susan Sanchi here. We're celebrating today. Today, the Spot Personal Choice is 37 years old. April 24th in 1983, I actually opened Personal Choice on the corner of 3rd and B Street. Who would know, 37 years later, we'd be sheltering in. Missing all of you for the last 6 weeks, but have some exciting things to tell you about. Been working hard with vendors, been on lots of webinars and trying to create something new until we get to be back together again. Michele Corley has put together a good program for us. We're going to have a safe shelter-in skincare. All of us are feeling just a little bit dowdy at the moment and realizing that our skin isn't being as perked up as we can be. So we are offering a customized stay-at-home product in honor of our anniversary, and it's got a lot of the great things that we encounter in our facial room, as well as I'm offering a virtual facial. So I want to customize this and go beyond what Michele has offered. So we have the opportunity to have 6 products that are normally $320. We are going to give them to you for $250, along with a virtual facial. So it's actually coming with a free peptide serum and an additional day discount on all of those products. So I'm looking forward to talking to each of you, finding out what your skincare needs are, what's been going on with you and your kids, and finding out what we can do together. So watch for the offer. We're going to put this up, and I am so excited to be offering skincare consultations and figuring out how to do virtual facials. So happy anniversary. Here's to the next 37 years.